In this video, we are going to talk about how you can install n8n completely for free. Many people get confused because the website shows only the paid cloud plan, but the self-hosted version is 100% free. So today, I'll show you the simple steps to download, install, and start using n8n without paying anything. So let's begin the video without wasting any time. To install n8n locally, the very first step is installing Node.js. So let's first open a browser and simply type Node.js downloads. Here you can see the very first site, which is Node.js org. Scroll down a little and here you will find the Windows installer. Here you have the options for other operating systems also, which is Linux, Mac OS. Click on the Windows installer and your file will start downloading. Here you can see we have downloaded the installer. Let's click on it and simply click next. Accept the terms and click next. Here it is asking automatically install the necessary tools. I will tick this checkbox. Click on next and then click on install. This will start installing Node.js. Once the installation process is completed, click on finish button and this will guide you to a new window. Just simply close this window and open command prompt in your PC. Here we have the command prompt in front of us. Here you have to simply type a command npm install n8n-g. By pressing enter, the installation process will begin. Once the installation process is complete, to use n8n, you have to use the command start n8n. This will open a new tab in the command prompt, which will look like this. As you can see, it has provided us a link which we can simply copy and paste into our browser, or you can simply press O and it will open n8n in your browser. Let's copy this link and paste in our browser. So this is the localhost link and it will guide you to a registration form. So let's complete this registration form. I have completed the user registration and the sign-in process, and here you can see I have the free access to the community edition and the UI is completely same as the cloud version. If the UI doesn't feel similar to the cloud version, what you have to do is just simply close this tab and again go to command prompt and type the command start n8n, and when you get the link for the second time, open that link and you will be able to use the same UI which is in the cloud version. Here you can see that when I open this for the second time, the UI is completely similar. Here you have the overview tab, the personal tab. Here you can create your workflows, start from scratch, test a simple AI agent, and here you have multiple templates. The executions tab where you can find your errors. Create a workflow from here. Everything is just similar. If this video helped you in any way, please make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe Tech Niloofar for more such videos. Thank you.